Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Ana Gulamon. I have a client. He is sciatica or lower back pain. But when I check him, he is nafsiya. He is emotional stress, and then he is constipation about his colon. After my therapy now, she is the one. What happened to my after my therapy? Tell him what happened now.
I am very good. Alhamdulillah. I can stand up and I can make like this. Before I can do anything.
And
Thank
then,
you.
yeah,
Thank you.
before he cannot
Now I
run,
can run.
you can run.
I can run. Yes.
Yeah,
I
show
can
it to
run.
him. Show it to
I
them.
can run.
Oh, he can run. Before he step on only too much pain. His problem is sciatica and emotional stress. That's the one, and constipation. And then after a week, I said to him, I will fix his constipation, and then I give him a herbal. Inshallah, he can everything is fine. Okay, brother. What do you think for me? You can recommend me
You
to
are super professional.
You may
Super professional.
You can
Thank
recommend
you.
me to
Thank you.
Arab nationality
Thank you.
here that I'm
He's
professional in
professional, super professional. He's a big doctor.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Go. So Allah be with you, brother. Allah be with you, brother. Thank you.